Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Hello, and welcome to Ignorant Industries as we take a look today at the program called WP for the Security Minded. This training course, this training program, it takes a unique approach to giving you training on how to do security. The security training is top notch, but it's interesting the way the creator has actually done this. So let's take a look. Now here we are inside my review page with my bonuses, and I want to show you that this WordPress for the security minded is something very technical but very needed in this day. And what's great is it's so technical, but it's also very step by step. Apparently something like 70% of WordPress sites are hacked. So there are ways to stop that. There are ways to avoid that. And so this product here helps you in making your WordPress site more secure. All right, so it is critical training for WordPress success right in your admin area. And that's the interesting thing, and we'll look at that in a moment. We go inside the product. It is right inside your admin area. So there's no more losing the files. Where's the link? Where did it go? How do I get to that? Is it an unlisted YouTube link? Where do I get? No. It's right there in your admin area, which is impressive. All right. So what's important to note here is this product released this week, and you've got about 4.5 days from the time of this recording to grab this product at the early introductory price and to grab my bonuses below. All right. So if you're ready to grab this, he's like, dude, this is it. I need this. Click right on any of these green buttons here. Any of these green buttons will take you right to the sales page, and you'll be able to pick up your copy of WordPress for the security minded. All right, so the video you're watching now will end up right here. Our policy has always been not to post videos until we've actually recorded them. All right, so there's that green button again. So what is WordPress for the security minded? Well, glad you asked. It is a unique approach to an important concept. Kurt here offers you 20 detailed, no fluff video trainings. It installs right inside your admin area, like I said. It will help you to create a secure WordPress website. It's not just cool that it's in there. It's actually great content in these 20 videos. It is the fastest and easiest way to learn. Every time you log into your WordPress, it reminds you to take a look at this and maybe work through a video and make sure your site is as secure as possible. I tell you, I've installed dozens of WordPress sites, and if I had had this information at the beginning, I would have been installing secure sites much sooner than I was. He also gives you a guided step-by-step creation process of creating your own WordPress site using the principles that he talks about in these 20 videos. So if you're setting up a new site, this is a great way to do it to make sure you have a secure WordPress site. All right, so you get your site security. You can't lose your content because it's right there in your admin area. All right, so this is the video, the sales video. You click on that, it'll take you through to this. You can watch the sales video here. It's also at the sales page, but I have it here for your convenience. All right, so you will get some bonuses if you purchase through my affiliate link here. If you purchase through one of my affiliate links in the next 4 days, you will grab bonus number 1 is easy SEO for WordPress. So it's one thing to have a secure website. It's another thing to have traffic to it. So SEO, search engine optimization, is an instruction on how to create an optimized website so people can find you when they're looking for your content. Bonus number 2. So if you do want to do any affiliate work with this website, this is WordPress Commission Cloaker. Now this is a plugin for WordPress, and what this allows you to do is to create kind of like Bitly. It cloaks your links so that you can put them anywhere you want, but it also helps you to track them. So this is interesting because it also works specifically with Facebook to allow you to send a particular image. You know how it's hard to grab the right image for your link in Facebook? Well, this will allow you to send the proper image for Facebook to use. And bonus number 3 is a 30-day step-by-step process to create what I like to call a busy blog. It creates content helps you create content, create a content calendar, and to keep your blog moving beyond just like, oh, I want to start a blog. This allows you to move forward with it and to really grow. All right, so you click any of these green buttons now in the next 4.5 days to grab these. Now, You don't have to demand me to send you the bonuses. They will automatically be sent to you in your email you get when you make your purchase of WordPress for the Security Minded. You will get an email with this button right here, which says click here, it says click here to access your bonuses. You do that and you'll grab your bonuses right away. All right, that's me, and I have other reviews and bonus pages on my site at ignorantindustries.com. You can go over and take a look at those. I'm Lou, your chief ignoramus. All right, let's take a look at the sales page. All right, so like you said, there are more than 70% of WordPress installations are vulnerable to hacker attacks. Is yours? Well, there's only one way to find out. You go through and you see in these 20 videos what things you have forgotten to do. So you'll get access to this amazing teaching plugin with 20 detailed training videos right in your admin dashboard. Did you know that WordPress accounted for 90% of all content management sites in 2018? So one of the benefits is it's open source. One of the problems is it's open source. And if you don't secure it, you're going to have problems. You don't want to see that message. So here are the things that it comes with. WordPress backups, security begins at home, how to install it securely, why you remove user ID, number one, and why. How to change your WordPress database prefix. And you're thinking, what? Yeah, he explains it all. It's detailed, clean, and what to do when you are hacked, what to do after you've been hacked, and how to clean up afterwards to prevent it again. He's got a sample video here of a couple pieces of it you can take a look at on the sales page. So you can create this WordPress site. Did you know that he says here 9 out of 10 WordPress sites are never completed? That people start them but don't do anything with them. They don't get them up and running. He will help you to create your first post and beyond. All right, so he goes through some more information about how to start up. There's zero geek speak. Now, I, for one, I enjoy the geek speak. But most people don't, and I realize that. It took me a while, but I realize that. Zero geek speak. It's very detailed, and as he says, fluff free. He'll just take you through step by step, showing you how to do it. All right. So what is this cost here? It's $14.95. $14.95 for this product, and for another $10, you can get developer rights. So if you're somebody who does a lot of WordPress stuff, it would allow you to then install it for customers on sites that you flip. You're not able to sell it, but you can install it as a service if you have developers rights. So $14.95 will get you WordPress training for the security minded. That is the early bird launch price that will be going up in 4 days. So make sure you hop on that today. You know what? I want to take you inside the actual product. Now, here we are, and what you see here, right here, is that button, WordPress Training for the Security Minded, right there on your dashboard. And when you click on that, it will pull up, right in your home space there, it'll pull up all of the videos. Look at them all right there. You can scroll down and see them all. And as you click on them, WordPress backups, securing your website, you click on the video and it'll take you, click on the link, it'll take you right to the video, how WordPress security begins at home, how to, how to stop hackers because you don't use your admin, you change your admin, how to hide usernames, how to change your WordPress database prefix and why, and some more details on it. All kinds of detailed information on how to change it. It's built in right here in your admin dashboard. WordPress for the security minded. Take a look at it. Worth every dollar. $14.95 for this fantastic training that's built into your admin dashboard is excellent. I highly recommend you take a look at this. Go to the sales page. If you've gotten this far in the video, it sounds like you're somebody who's interested in WordPress and wants to have a secure site. So I highly recommend you take a look at this. That is WordPress for the security minded, a training course built in with a clever twist there, being built right into your dashboard. I think Kurt's done a wonderful job with this. The content is easy to understand, easy to use, and is effective, and it will give you a secure website. On the ignorant scale of a 1, being totally ignorant, to a 5, Kurt, I give you the 5 on this. I don't give a lot of 5s, but this is excellent, the way you've put this together and made it so convenient to use, and takes you step by step. And you can use this over and over again. The more WordPress and sites you install, the tighter the security is going to be as you move through learning this process through this training. And that's all from me for now. Have a great day. We'll talk to you next time.